I want to tell you something, okay? I want you to listen to me carefully. Right now, we do not have any craft stores open, and it will be very difficult to get craft supplies from outside, okay? You can use any paper, any cardboard lying at home and create a lot of fun stuff, and I will tell you how, okay? Let's not disturb your parents while they are working from home or doing housework. You can always keep yourselves busy, get creative, and try to make very great items with whatever you have at home. Let's get started. Hey kids, welcome to my show. As promised, we are going to do a lot of fun stuff together, right? So how are you doing? Staying at home, washing hands, listening to parents? This is craft time now, and we'll start with the shadow puppet today, okay? We will create shadow puppets, and I will tell you how to do stories, create stories in the dark with those shadow puppets. So to get started with the shadow puppets, we will need tape. I have a masking tape here. You can very well use a sellotape, it will work fine. And this is a stick. I have a bamboo skewer here, but you can use any stick. Ice cream stick will do, those firm broomsticks from those Halloween brooms will also do. Is a marker I'm using because I'm comfortable with this. If you're comfortable with pencil, you can use pencil or even any other pen. You'll need a pair of scissors and paper. Don't use a newspaper or page from a notebook. Maybe an old notebook cover. That should be better because you see this is quite a firm paper. It's not like the notebook pages. So, and it could be printed also, it could be printed paper too. Doesn't matter, because for shadow puppets doesn't work in a way where you need a blank paper or colored paper. You can use any paper for that matter. It can be printed. Okay, so now you have to draw something, anything. Now I see that you must have noticed that I have not put any detail. Means the octopus doesn't have eyes, here the fish doesn't have an eye, no scales on the body, nothing. So for shadow puppets you just need the outline. You don't need any other details, okay? You just need to cut out the outline. If at all you need eyes, you can maybe mark 2 eyes and then make holes there. Again, with a stick you can easily make a hole there, okay? Okay, make holes. Okay, here. And then cut them out. So I have here already a fish and an octopus which I had made earlier, okay? Just put this stick, like you don't need long sticks, shorter sticks will do, okay? And I have taped them at the back like this. And then how does it work? You need a flashlight to make it work, torch, okay? So I'll use my phone flashlight, okay, to show you how that works. Okay, you can hold any way, you can hold it this way, you can hold it this way. So you can say this is a baby shark or mama shark. Similarly for the octopus too. So you may, tonight you can invite your parents to a movie show and create your own stories in the dark. Make them sit in a dark room, use the torch and use a flashlight and just create stories on the wall. in a dark room. You just can make any scene, a night scene, or you can have a sun. You can even draw a sun and then do a day scene. You can have people, you can have houses, animals, anything. You can create an underwater scene. Just try to have mini cutouts like this and lots of them. And then keep creating stories, keep building up stories, keep putting in characters to your stories, and get creative. Give a movie show to your parents, give them a gift tonight. Okay? Did you like it? If you did, then I would ask you to please try the craft out. As I said, try to give a night movie show to your family members, okay? And let me know how it goes. Alright, I have shared my email ID in the description box below, okay? Check that out and you can send me photos of your creation with your name and age, and also send me any questions you might have regarding the episodes, regarding the craft, anything. You can ask me anything. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Stay tuned and I will be back with a new episode very soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.